Locations like this makes you a lot of money and gets sold out very fast. This is because there's massive development happening in this location, and this is the best time to invest as an investor. Welcome to Peace Garden Estate. So Peace Garden Estate is situated between Trans-Ekulu Phases and Gulf Annex Estates. And if you are familiar with these places, you know that there's massive development happening in those locations. I'm talking about road construction, drainage system, electricity, and even construction of houses. And the good thing is that this development is now moving towards this location where I'm currently standing on. I'm talking about Peace Garden Estate. And if you're an investor, you need to understand that one of the best times to invest is when development is moving to a particular location, because you need to study about the growth trend happening in that location. And currently, Peace Garden Estate is currently selling on a pre-sale price of 20 million naira. And for investors who might not have the ability to pay outrightly, we have an installment payment plan where you can deposit 5 million naira and then get to spread the remaining balance across 3 months. Each plot in this estate comes with a registered deed and a registered survey plan. This goes far to tell you that this property is fully registered, it is free from government interest, it is free from land litigation and any disputes, and it's also verifiable. Each plot in this estate measures 500 square meters. This gives you an ample space for whatever project you might need to handle on your plot. If you are familiar with Trans-Ekulu Estate Phases, there will be massive development happening in that location. I'm talking about construction of road, construction of houses, even drainage system. And then the good thing is that these developments are being extended towards Peace Garden Estate. And currently, we are erecting perimeter fencing in this location in order to secure the entire estate. And very soon, we start off with every necessary infrastructure in this location. And now the good thing for you as an investor, this is the right time to buy, because the more you wait, as we commence on the development in this estate, the value of this property will keep appreciating. If you're an investor looking for capital appreciation or a land banking property or a property where you can buy and then you can still build in the future, then Peace Garden Estate is that property for you. And the good thing, like I mentioned earlier, is that it is currently selling on a pre-sale price of 20 million naira. You don't need to wait until the price gets to 25 million naira, which is the actual price. But now is that best time for you to invest in this location, and then you get to enjoy the future appreciation that will be happening in Peace Garden Estate. So if this property meets your needs, just go ahead, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen, and we'll bring you here for a free inspection, help you secure a plot or more in this estate.